In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own route on Waze. We will not draw a route by hand, but we will guide Waze to use the roads you like as much as the app allows. Open Waze on your phone. Once the map loads, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap that search bar, then type the destination where you want to go. As you type, you will see suggestions appear underneath, including recent locations and saved places. Select the exact destination you want from that list so Waze knows where you are heading. After that, tap the button labeled View Routes. This shows a list or map view of different route options, usually with different times and road choices. Take a moment to compare them, because one route might be a little longer but use roads you prefer. When you see the route that looks best for you, tap it. Then tap Go Now. You will see the route highlighted on the map, and Waze will start turn-by-turn navigation with voice directions. Now that navigation has started, we can add a stop to push Waze toward your preferred path. With the route active, tap the ETA bar at the bottom of the screen. This bar usually shows your arrival time, distance, and remaining minutes. A menu will slide up. From that menu, tap Add a Stop. Waze will open the search screen again. Here, search for a location that sits on the road you want Waze to use, for example a gas station or shop along that highway. This location should be directly on or very close to your desired road, otherwise Waze may still route around it. When you find that place, select it from the list. Then tap the button labeled Go or Add a Stop, depending on what your app shows. You will see the map update, and now your route includes that stop before your final destination. A small flag or pin usually marks the stop on the map, so you can confirm it is on the correct road. From this point, Waze will guide you first to the stop, then continue on to your original destination. With that ready, there is one limitation you need to keep in mind. Waze currently supports only one stop per route, and that stop always comes before your final destination. You cannot add a second or third stop to shape a very detailed path. Also, you cannot drag the route line with your finger to redraw it. Waze always recalculates the route based on current traffic, road closures, and its own data, so sometimes it may still suggest a slightly different road if conditions change. If that happens, checking that your chosen stop is exactly on your preferred road usually helps keep Waze closer to the path you want. You just learned how to guide Waze onto your preferred roads using route choices and a single stop along the way. If this helped you shape your Waze routes, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple navigation tips.